Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where creativity meets simplicity. Ever wanted to tweak text in an image but didn't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in an image using Canva. Quick, easy, and perfect for beginners or pros. Whether it's updating a date, changing a phrase, or adding a creative touch, I've got you covered. Plus, stick around until the end because I've got a bonus trick that'll take your designs to the next level. You won't want to miss it. So grab your coffee, open Canva, and let's dive in. First, open Canva and head to the top of the page. Click on Create a Design, and from the drop-down menu, select Import File. Now, upload the image that has the text you want to edit from your computer. Once it's uploaded, click Use in a new design. This will allow you to start editing your image in a fresh workspace. Next, choose your preferred design size. Select Custom Size if you want to adjust the dimensions. If you'd like to keep the same size as your original image, simply click Create New Design without changing anything. This flexibility ensures your design fits your needs perfectly. Now that your image is loaded into Canva, it's time to extract the text. Click on Edit Image at the top, and from the side menu, select Grab Text. This feature detects all the text in your image, but keep in mind, you'll need a Canva Pro or Education account to use it. Once Canva processes the image, it will highlight the detected text. Use your mouse to select the text you want and click Grab. Now the text is fully editable. Click on the text box and start making changes. You can modify the text to say whatever you want. From the toolbar at the top, you can adjust the font, size, type, or color, and even capitalize the letters. For example, I'm going to update the date in the text to make it more relevant. If you want to add some flair, click on the Effects tab. Here, I'll choose the outline style for a modern look. Now here's something special for you. To add that professional touch to your designs, you'll need a Canva Pro or student account. But don't worry, I've pinned my Canva Pro team invite link in the comments section. Click on it to join my team and unlock all the premium features. It's the easiest way to take your designs to the next level. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit text in an image using Canva, plus how to access premium features by joining my Canva Pro team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.